Hi everyone. Well, only a couple of days to the build-off collector bike show on Saturday. We've made good progress. One of the big things, the Airbox, somewhere along the line the previous owner had crashed and the stinger had done some damage to the Airbox. So we ground it down a little bit and we put some heat tape there to prevent it happening in the future. It's actually the DRC heat tape, which you can order off our website. Okay, so as you can see, the seat, when he crashed and he damaged the Airbox, he also melted through the seat, and it's a pretty rough looking seat. The plastic in time had sort of rotted away. Coincidentally, a guy called Anthony from Evo MX contacted us and said, hey, you know, this is my game. I do seats and graphics for these kind of bikes. And I want to give him a big shout out because not only did he sponsor this stuff, he rushed it for us. So this is the seat. We've got a little resto where we've got...
That might be Anthony. Anthony's calling.
I'm busy filming. I'll phone you. By resto, I mean it's a similar looking graphic and color, but it does have the anti-slip feature on the top here. So good enough to hook us up with graphics for the swing arm. And this kind of stuff we're keeping close to the way the bike was in 1993. If you remember back to those kind of graphics, this is all the graphics for the bike. And he gave us number plate backings. I'm not too stoked on the color. We might see if we can get some white ones. I just think it'll look nicer, but that's my personal opinion. So until next time, that's it.